In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to generate financial reports in IAM Business and some of the cool things you can do with the data. Halfway down on the left-hand side, you'll find the Reports menu. And adjacent to it is the shortcut to all the reports you can find in IAM. So if you just scroll down to Reports and this shortcut to the reports. So these reports cover accounts, banking, sales, purchases, tax, payroll, and other reports. I'm just going to show you a small number of different reports that give you a good idea, so you get a good grasp of the types of reporting within IAM Business. I'm going to show you the financial statement, the general ledger detail, the job profit and loss, sales by customer, and purchases by supplier detail report. We'll have a look at the financial statements. So I'll just make sure that that's open. So we'll go back to the home page, back to reports, and click on financial statement again. I'll click on the 21 to 22 year. Okay, that looks fine. So we'll run the report. We'll just quickly have a quick squeezy through this. So we've got the detailed profit and loss, we've got the balance sheet, notes to the financial statements, and director's declaration. So a comprehensive set of financials there for your client. In this case, it's for XYZ Psychology. We'll now have a look at the general ledger detail report. Again, that's found under the accounts menu and the general ledger detail. I just need to change the date here, so we change it back to the 2021-22 year. Again, run the report. So here's the detail behind the transactions. So we can have a look at that. Yeah. In the next report we'll have a look at is the jobs profit and loss. So we'll go back to the jobs profit and loss report. And this enables you to view the P&L based on the job type. So you might remember that we've set up the jobs, set up the invoices with two different types of jobs. So whether it's a Medicare job, or whether it's a private job. So in the total sales for XYZ Psychology, we'll see the Medicare makes up 9,500 and private appointments tally 14,000. So we'll just have a look at that. Again, change the year, the date range, run the report again. So you see that as I said, the Medicare totals 9,500 and private totals 14,000. We'll now have a look at the sales by customer report. So go into the sales and sales by customer. Again, we need to change the year and run the report. This is a great report as it shows the total number of appointments and value of sales for each customer. So say for example with Jake Johns, we've seen Jake 6 times and the total amount received from Jake is $960. Similarly, we've seen Mark Smith say 8 times, and the total amount received from Mark is $1,600 at $200 per session. In a similar way, we can look at the purchases by supplier, which we'll now have a look at. We'll just go back and purchases by supplier, and change the date range, run the report. In a similar way to the sales by customer, the purchases by supplier report shows the total number of times the exercise psychology, so the business, has paid for a particular service or particular good. For example, it shows that we've paid for ABC software 12 times throughout the year, which makes sense because it's a monthly subscription. The second thing it shows is that we've actually had 11 sessions with Rita Reynolds for supervision. Again, that would be about correct because it's a monthly service, and we didn't we skipped by month during the year. So this is another excellent report with great useful information contained in it.